What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And welcome if YouTube just accidentally recommended this to you after you searched. Why does nobody watch my YouTube videos even though they're good? It's probably one of your main questions. Now, first of all, welcome. And second of all, same. Because getting people to click on your video is hard, but getting them to stay, that's where dreams go to die. You ever upload a video and you feel proud, refreshed, and YouTube Studio and sees 42 impressions when you open it, and 3 views, and one of them is you, one of them is your mom, and one is a guy who accidentally clicked and left in 4 seconds, and YouTube's audience retention, 12%. And that means people didn't even finish the sentence. So today we're going to talk about how to get people to actually watch your channel, not just tap it and panic and go back to watching people unbox Amazon junk. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth of all this. Nobody owes you their attention. Not YouTube, not the algorithm, not even your friends who said, I'll support you, bro. Attention is rented, and it's not given. You're competing with Netflix, TikTok, video games, group chats, and a man live streaming himself sleeping. So when someone clicks your video, you have one job: make me glad I clicked it. That's it. And here's who this is why people leave, and no sugarcoating. You start slow. You start, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and then they're gone. Not because you're bad, because they don't know why they should care yet. You explain too much. You don't need context. You need intrigue. You're making videos for you instead of for them. And that's not YouTube, that's therapy with thumbnails. Big mistakes creators make, and they obsess over thumbnails, titles, CTR, but here's the truth. The clicks, it doesn't matter if they don't stay. YouTube cares about watch time, the retention, session duration. If people leave quickly, YouTube says, this was a lie, and it stops recommending you. So yes, make clickable titles, but your video must cash the check your thumbnail wrote. And let me be very clear. The first 10 seconds of your video are more important than camera, your editing, your lighting, your childhood trauma. If you lose them here, the rest doesn't even matter. Ad opening in today's video, or I've been wanting to talk about this. So them are bad openings. A good opening, a bold statement, a question, a problem, a tease. Example I'm gonna give you. If people are clicking your videos and leaving immediately, it's probably because you're doing this one thing wrong. Now they stay because humans hate unfinished thoughts, all right? A hot take, your topics matter less than how you make people feel, okay? People don't watch how to grow on YouTube. They watch, the person makes me feel understood. This person says what I'm thinking. This person doesn't talk like a robot. That's why someone can watch 47 videos about productivity from the same creator, saying the same thing over and over, because vibes are better than the information. And here's why informational channels fail. They sound like Wikipedias with a ring light. Facts don't hold attentions, opinions do. You don't need to be controversial, you need to be clear. And instead of, some people say consistency, it matters, say, if you're inconsistent, YouTube doesn't trust you, and neither do viewers. Now people lean in, all right? You don't need to be funny. You need to be honest, relatable, slightly unhinged. Comedy keeps attention because it resets the brain. It rewards, it makes learning painless. A joke every 20 to 30 seconds, it's retention boost. Not stand-up jokes and not human jokes. Self-roast or observations people don't say out loud. And here's another hard truth. People will forgive bad editing, bad lighting, and bad pacing. They will not forget boredom. Stories hold attention because they have tension, progress, payoff. Even educational videos need story. But here's the bad side. Here are 5 tips. A better one. It's a better title instead of here are 5 tips. A better title. A better title would be I wasted 2 years after doing YouTube wrong. Here's what finally worked. Now we're invested. If your 8-minute video feels like 40 minutes, it's because no structure, there's no momentum, and there's no reason to keep watching. You need open loops. Here's an example. And the last mistake is the one nobody talks about. Stay till the end, because this is the one that kills channels. Boom, retention. One of the biggest mistakes creators make, they talk like this. What's up, everybody? No, talk like this. If you've ever uploaded a video and nobody watched it, this is for you. Now it's personal. People watch content that makes them feel like it was made for them and not the masses. And you don't need confidence. You need intent. Low energy kills watch time faster than bad audio. You don't need to yell. You need variation. Whispers, pauses, and rants, and switch it up a little bit. And flat delivery equals exit. And just bottom line, be yourself. Stop editing, is this professional enough? And start editing, would I watch this? And cut long pauses, the rambling, the repetition, cut that out. If it doesn't move the story forward, cut it out. Nobody misses what they never saw. If people click and leave your thumbnail lied, your thumbnail should match the tone, match the promise, and match the video, not clickbait and curiosity bait. Make them wonder, not feel tricked. Or people don't binge random creators. They binge familiar voices, familiar formats, familiar energy. And when people know what they're getting, they stay longer. And surprise within structure. And this is huge. People are more likely to watch you if they recognize you. If they've seen you before, you feel familiar, and that's why consistency matters. You're not just building videos, you're building recognition. Your comments tell you what people liked, what they skipped, what they want more of. Ignore them and you're guessing, and listen and you're cheating. They don't subscribe because they don't know what you're about yet. You haven't earned it, or you didn't ask the right moment. And ask after value, not before, all right? Before uploading, ask yourself, why would somebody want to watch this instead of something else? If you can't answer that, viewers won't either. And most people aren't boring. They're just over-explaining, under-energized, afraid to fix the format, not yourself. And here's the final truth. People don't watch because they don't care yet, and that's okay. Your job is to make them care faster, make them longer, reward their attention, and that's YouTube, all right? If people aren't watching yet, it doesn't mean you suck, all right? It means you're early, you're learning, and you're one tweak away. Attention is earned in inches, not miracles. So keep uploading. Keep improving, keep being human, and remember, the algorithm doesn't decide your fate, viewers do. And now go make something worth finishing. And one of my videos coming up on the next page. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.